Lotus succulent. How to grow lotus succulent? So you have to locate it in a very bright sunlight area. They need sunlight about 8 hours per day, and no need to worry about watering. Less maintenance plant, good for beginners, and you can easily propagate them by leaves. Now see, there are many baby plants in this. I had only one plant, and there are a lot growing inside this small pot. So you can have this indoors too, and also do not overwater these plants. And the compost and sand mix garden soil is the best. Cocoa peat will be a great fertilizer for this plant. And succulents are beautiful and also best indoor plants. So as a beginner gardener too, you can well maintain them and propagate them easily with a leaf. So that's about growing lotus succulents.